Here's how you use the Country Report website. You're going to need this site for the urban population percentage, or this is a good site to use for that. When you log in, you're going to see a screen looks like this. You've got a list of countries. The ones that they find important are highlighted in brown. And then you have a list of criteria that you can compare. And if you scroll all the way down, very bottom, you'll find urban population. If I click this, then this bar graph down here is going to change, and it's got these bars that are different sizes, and then it's got a couple things, population, because that's also being compared, and then urban population, which is 50.6. If I want to get rid of the population, I'll just click it. So now it's only urban population. So now when I hover over the bar, it gives me a number, 82.4 for the United States. That's the percent of people in the United States that are in the urban areas, like a city. And so there's Italy, and there's France, China, and then Canada. But I want to compare some countries. So what I do is I can even just unclick these. So I'll leave the United States there. And let's find Mexico. So we'll scroll down to Mexico, and I click it, and then it adds it to this list here. So there's Mexico, there's the United States, and then I want to do Brazil as well. And I'll go find Brazil. There's Brazil, and I click it. And now I've got all three countries, Brazil, Mexico, the United States. When I hover over the bar, that's the number that I want to use. Easy enough. Good luck.